First fill a pan with boiling water and turn the gas on underneath and bring to the boil again. Next, crack your egg into a ramekin. Add your egg to the boiling water. Poach your egg for about 3 or 4 minutes. The egg will come together and look like it's going to set. Once the egg looks set, check with your slotted spoon. If it's not quite set, then leave it for about another 30 or 40 seconds. Then carefully remove from the water and drain on some kitchen towel. Serve on hot buttered toast. Lovely!